I have here a master padlock, and let me show you. It is a Model 1 SSK-ADLF, and it's rated 8 out of 10 security, and it says it's new. And I got this at my Ace Hardware store. Originally it was $17.95. Then it was on sale for $5.75, and then it went down to 98 cents. So I figured I can't pass that up. And here's your typical M1 key, I believe, and it's a 4-pin, 1, 2, 3, 4-pin, I believe. And it works just like a master. And what's new about it, I don't really know. It has the ball bearing locking system. That's the only thing I know of that's changed. And what's also curious is this. It says it's a master lock number 1. So I really don't know what that is referring to, this model number here. What makes it different or new? But I'm going to attempt to get a pick. I'm not the best master lock picker. They seem to elude me more than other locks do, but just because my skill level isn't that great, I'll be using this little Peterson pick, short hook, very thin blade, and see what we can do here. What I found out for me is it's difficult to get under the pins, or even find the pins, because the cylinder is so small and the pins are so small. I don't know if I'm under the pins or under the roof. Give it a try again. The pen is so skinny and small, it gets caught between the pins, the driver pins, or the key pins. Not doing too well. Like I may have set a pin or two. There we go. Got it. That is the new Master Lock 1 SSK-ADLF, which is also a Master Lock 1. And if anyone can tell me what's new about it, I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you later.